Welcome DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder why, in the same storm, some people just keep sailing while others capsize? It's not just about the weather, it's about the ship. We're diving into when individuals hit their personal limits way before the whole system goes down. So, what makes one person's engine sputter while another roars? We've cracked it down to 5 core knobs you can actually measure. Think of them as your personal system specs. Bandwidth, how much info can you handle at once? Rewrite cost, how easily do you change your mind or habits? Validation budget, how much do you trust your own judgment versus others? Recovery rate, how quickly do you bounce back from a setback? And alignment strength, are your actions truly pulling you towards your goals, or are they just random spins? Get these wrong and boom, you're flirting with collapse. It's not about being weak, it's about knowing where your breaking points are. Now, when things go south, it's rarely a single bang. More often, it's a cascade. First, there's real collapse. A pathway is genuinely broken, like a key function just stops working. Then, apparent collapse. You're wiped, maybe even a bit emotional, but a good night's sleep fixes it. But here's the sneaky one: indistinguishable collapse. This is the wolf in sheep's clothing. You look okay, maybe even productive, but internally critical connections are fraying. Your data intake is garbage, your decisions are off, and you can't act on what you know. Why does this happen? Too much incoming noise, too little trust in yourself, your goals drifting apart, and carrying old baggage. It's a perfect storm for disaster. So, how does someone actually go from fine to fragile to flat out struggling? We map it out in 5 stages. Stage 0: stable, life's humming along, load matches capacity. Stage 1: vulnerability. Things get busy, you start cutting corners, noticing small slips. Stage 2: instability. Key functions start acting weird, recovery efforts aren't cutting it anymore. Stage 3: relative collapse. Multiple critical pathways fail simultaneously, and the problems start spilling over into different areas of life. Finally, Stage 4: reconstruction. This is the hard part, actively rebuilding systems, resetting priorities, and restoring trust. The goal isn't just to survive Stage 3, it's to predict it early and intervene effectively. Okay, so you've hit that messy Stage 3. What now? Just rest? Nope. Effective rebuilding isn't passive. It's an engineered process. Tackle the noise first, then lighten the load, carefully manage updates, rebuild your internal validation budget, and rebind your core values and intentions. Looking ahead, the next few years won't see a universal collapse, but rather a fragmented landscape where some thrive with external help, many struggle with meaning gaps, and vulnerable groups face amplified risks. The takeaway? Understanding and managing these individual limits isn't just academic, it's crucial for navigating our complex future.